So let's move on and talk about simulation and generative design. Okay, so a big part of this is obviously the PDC and Answers partnership that they entered into a couple of years ago now to basically bring the Answers technologies into the PTCs. Okay, so we saw that back with Creo Simulation Live that was introduced way back in Creo 5 and it's been expanded along the way, adding CFD and other things in there. We've also seen the Creo Answer Simulation come into play back in Creo 7, I think it was. So plenty more to talk about. Okay, but don't forget Creo Simulate is still there, and we've got plenty of customers using it. It's getting the love as well. So in Creo 10, Creo Simulate adding full support for multi-body. So the ability to have your different bodies with different material assignments. So obviously that can have an effect on your analysis. Support all different sorts of interface types between them. They can be used for heat loads, used for different meshing options, measurement volumes, whatever it might be. So full support there for multi-body. Okay, and it's also quite relevant, I guess, in terms of the composites module when you look into that as well. Okay. But moving into the answers-based tools, so Creo Simulation Live and Creo Answer Simulation. So, as I said, Creo Sim Live was introduced back a few releases ago now, Creo 4. So it's structural, thermal, modal, and fluid simulation. Okay. So in Creo 10 now, we've added contact simulation. Okay. So with the proviso there, for small amounts of frictionless sliding. Okay, so we can help give more options in terms of the simulation studies that you're running. Some new result types as well, so vector results and a few more options for structure results as well when you're looking at your results from the simulations that appear in literally seconds. Okay, I guess covering both Creo Sim Live and Creo Answer Simulation. So the solver has been updated Creo 10 to the Answers 2022 R solver. Okay. There's new contact detection available across both modes as well, and some general UI changes in terms of working with information. Okay. On the Creo Answer Simulation, so as I said, this was introduced a couple of releases ago now. So this is bringing the answer solver into Creo. So obviously there's a lot of capabilities there, so there's a lot of work to be done there as they bring more and more functionality in over time. Okay, so inside Creo 10, there's been non-linear contact added in there. Just note that you need the Creo Answers Advanced license required for this, and also non-linear materials. Okay, so things like rubbers and the like. Again, this requires the Answers Advanced license for doing this. Okay, and also now the ability to combine structural and thermal together into a single simulation.